Hello, financial trailblazers. I'm Tiffany Kent, your certified financial planner, and a big welcome to Elevate Your Equity. Here we will make finance fun and take the mystery out of money management. Today we're tackling a topic that's close to the heart of every corporate executive: the best retirement plans to secure your golden years. It's all about crafting that dream retirement and avoiding those pesky financial pitfalls. So let's dive in. As a corporate executive, you've been at the helm, steering your company to success. Now it's time to steer your own retirement ship to safety and prosperous harbors. First stop on the voyage, the 401k plan is the stalwart of the retirement planning, reliable and robust. But here's a pro tip. If your company offers matching contributions, let's make sure you're maxing those out. It's like free money. Who doesn't love that? Next up, let's talk about something a little bit more exclusive: deferred compensation plans. Think of this as the first-class lounge of retirement options. Here you can defer a portion of your income to a later date, reducing your current taxable income and potentially reaping tax benefits down the line. But wait, there's more. Stock options and restricted stock units. These can be your golden tickets, but they're a bit trickier to navigate. Timing and taxes are key here. You need a strategy to maximize gains and minimize tax hits. Now, for those savvy executives out there, let's not forget the individual retirement account, or IRA. Whether it's traditional or Roth, each has its charm. The question is, do you want tax benefits now or deferred tax withdrawals later? And for those who really want to up their game, there's the self-directed IRA, and that's where you get to be in the driver's seat, choosing your investments or hire an advisor to help you. Remember, navigating these waters can be complex. It's not just about choosing the right plan, it's about crafting a strategy that aligns with your unique financial goals and retirement dreams. Your mission, should choose to accept it, involves balancing risk, understanding tax implications, and keeping an eye on those ever-changing financial horizons. So there you have it, captains of industry. The best retirement plans are not just about saving money. They're about strategic planning, understanding your options, and making informed decisions that will lead you to a retirement as successful as your career.